Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription box for October. This time I will have my new Ipsy box. I did upgrade my Ipsy subscription to the box. This one is 25 instead of 10. We have full-size products in this one and mostly makeup. As I told you, this is 25. I will see if I will keep this one or I'll go back to the $10 one with 5 samples. This is the first month when I'm getting the upgraded box. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this one. It's a big box comparing with that bag, the tiny bag that they used to send. And let's go ahead and see. I saw some spoilers. They sent me an email with the products that are in this box, and I thought it's just okay. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Love this. Here is the box inside. Comes with this blue foam, which I always appreciate because as box looks similar now with the BoxyCharm with this foam. This foam is very helpful keeping the products safe, and I always reuse them for my giveaways. So we have a card in here, and here is the box inside. It's full with products. And let's go. Welcome to Glam Bag Plus. This is the name, Glam Bag Plus. About this one, and we have information regarding each product. And let's go ahead and see what we have in here. I see full-size products. We have in this one, the first thing in the box is from Seattle, London. It's Dewy Spritz Luminous Prime and Set Spray. This one comes with 125 milliliters, which is 4.22 fluid ounces. Here is the box. It's a setting spray in a full size. The packaging is pretty nice. You have to shake this one very well because I see some powder here. I don't know if you can see that too, but the packaging is pretty nice. It's a full size, and let's see how the mist goes. Pretty big drops, so for this one for sure I will use. Smells pretty nice. Nice scent. I will use one of my mists because this one has big drops, at least I think. I have sprays that are working better than the spray. We'll see how the product works. So this is the first item in here. We have a bunch of products. Another full size, I think it's from LXMI. This is Pure Melodica Melt. You saw this one in one of my samples of the week video, and I told you it's a great balm, especially for night. Leaves your face so nice. Let me show you the size of this one. And I think we have some information about each one. About the Seattle, London. We don't know how we ever lived without this mist. Shake it, spritz it, and you'll get an instant ethereal glow. Your makeup is set or refreshed, and you're hydrated and revived. And you've hydrated and revived your skin. Spray it on over bare skin for a subtle natural glow. Mist it over makeup to take your look to the next level and make it last. Or toss it in your purse to wake up and glisten up your complexion as needed through the day. Aside from keeping you luminous, it's a healthy skin fix thanks to hyaluronic acid and green tea extract, and feels so good. So you can use this one without makeup, on top of your makeup, or just to refresh your skin. So it's a great product. About the nourishing balm, the Pure Melodica Melt. This gorgeous tube is so much more than just a pretty little thing to pop on your prop on your vanity. Although we admit that we display our tool, it is a one ingredient, 100% organic miracle balm that puts coconut oil and all your other multitasking go-tos. It's to shame. Made with just Nilotica fruit butter, a superfood harvested from 20 years old trees at the Nile River. This skin fix can be used anywhere for just about anything. We love using it to quench dry hands and feet, tapping it on your lips and smoothing it over elbows, knees, and extra dry spots. Then the texture starts with rich and buttery but quickly melts into your skin thanks to being cold pressed in temperate Uganda versus a refrigerated lab like most products are, so we can get dressed immediately after applying. So it seems like this one is for everything else but not for face. Let me look at the direction here. Yes, you can use it for face also, and also as an overnight mask. I use it for my face. I had samples of this and it's a great product. And this one comes with 50 grams, which is 1.67 ounce. So if you have a chance to use this product, try it because it's a great one. Then we have in here Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is Be Sweet Tinted Lip Balm with SPF 15. Pretty nice packaging. And here is the shade of this one. I like the shade for this one. It's a shade that I used to wear often. And the packaging also. I remember I had or I will have in a sample bag giveaway a product from them. Then we have from Morphe High Impact Highlighter it's a full size. This is 8 grams. The box looks like this. Get lit. And let's see what details we have about this one. About the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Extra. We'll never know how Morphe made the powder formula feel so buttery, but we do know that this highlighter is a YouTuber staple for good reason. It reflects a tone of light without being glittery. It can be customized for a soft, sweet sheen or a next level glow up, and it weightlessly melts into your skin. So once you apply it, it feels like you're got nothing on. Use a highlighter blush on your fingertips to sweep this across the center of your forehead, along the tops of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, just beneath your eyebrows, and at the center of each eyelid. Want to make your lips look extra large? Tap some in M shape just above your cupid's bow, and then onto the center of your lower lip. So let's see how this one looks. It's a full size, which is not bad at all. So far we got just full size products, and this one looks like this. Comes with a mirror also, and very creamy, not powdery at all. Looks like this. And when we swatch this, it's a formula that you can blend very easy. I like lighter formulas than those that are very pigmented. I prefer to build it how much I want, so it's a good one. I like it. Then we have in here a Smashbox, and this one is Cover Shot Bold Glitter Eye Palette. Lots of things in this box, and I'm not sure. I hope you can see the change of this. Pretty cute. Pretty nice packaging. It does change. So let's go ahead and see. All glitter in here. Here is the palette. Pretty nice, I would say. You get a ton of colors in here, from gray, gold, blue, green, everything you need, and all of them are shimmer colors. Let me swatch a couple of those. I'm gonna try to swatch them on my other hand. A ton of glitter in here. Here is, I have on my hand 3 of them. To me it doesn't seem to be very pigmented. It's more glitter than color. The blue one is more pigmented than the other ones. So yeah, if you like glitter, and I do like glitter, it's a nice palette. I think this one will work better if you'll use what's the name of that a glitter, not primer. I'll try to remember and leave it on the screen. There is that oh gosh, what's the name? A glitter glue. There is a makeup product that you use before applying any product with glitter, and it's gonna keep the color, because as you can see here, you cannot see more of the color, you see just the glitter. So in order to work better, I recommend to use this one with a glitter glue. So we have then in here a full-size Tarte product, and this one is from Double Duty Beauty line. Whatever how you pronounce that. I believe this one is a mascara. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a mascara. Pretty nice packaging. And let me show you the wand of this. And actually, let me give you more information regarding the palette. The Smashbox Cosmetic Cover Shut Eye Palette in Bold Glitter. Jewel tones and fall go together like pumpkin spice and lattes. Pop open this palette, swipe of any of the 8 seriously shimmery shadows, and you've instantly transformed your look for the season. But this clutch-friendly eye kit does more than just add a quick hit of on-trend color. You can mix and match the shades to create endless custom combination. Dip a liner brush into any of the richly pigmented shadows to create an unexpectedly sparkly liner look, or layer them over matte shadows for intense opaque glistering color payoff. I usually use them in my inner corner. And let's see about the Tarte mascara. What happens when you combine the inkiest triple black formula with a flexible brush that lifts every single lash, even those teeny tiny hard to reach ones, into a glorious fan-like effect. You get the fullest, longest, flirters lashes ever. One quick coat is all you need for a serious transformation, but if you have an extra minute to really get in there with a second or third layer, you won't even recognize your new falsy level lashes. And of course, because it's Tarte, the mascara has good for you ingredients like jojoba and carnauba wax, which strengthen and protect your lashes. Plus, they help prevent flaking. So a full-size mascara, and this is the wand. So we'll see how this one works. And we have a bag in here. And here is the bag that I got. I don't know if if this bag is different. Here is the bag that I got for those products. I don't know if this box comes with the same products for everybody or not. I will go and check on YouTube to see what other people get in their boxes. But so far this is what I got in here. So far, as I told you, I think this is a great box with full sizes for $25. So it's not bad. You get this bag. You get a full-size mascara from, at least I got, from Tarte. If you got something different, let me know in the description box, or if you have a video unboxing this box, let me know. I will love to watch it. So a Tarte full-size mascara, a Morphe highlighter, a full-size, a Smashbox palette. Probably this one is a deluxe sample. Then we have the LXM I Purmilotica Melt. It's a good balm. We have a full-size lipstick from Beauty by Pop Sugar. And we get a full-size Dewy Spritz from Ciate, a setting spray. So far I am happy with the box. Now that I see the products, I feel like they are better than I saw on the spoilers, So far I'm happy with this box. We'll see what's gonna come next. I'm not sure if they will have makeup in each box. If I remember right, you're gonna get makeup every 3 months or something like this. I'm not so sure, but if I'll have more information, I will let you know. So here was Ipsy, the new Ipsy for October. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon with another unboxing, because I have a couple more boxes to unbox. You have an amazing day. I will see you soon. Hope you're doing great. I'll be back with another unboxing. In the meantime, you have a great day or night. Bye bye.